how to hide and unhide videos on MacBook. Simply go to Launchpad, click it here. Here you can see photos, click it here. Here you can see library, click it here. Let's say I want to hide this video, click it here. Here you can see hide one video. If you want to hide multiple videos, you can simply select multiple videos and then click on hide 4 videos, click it here. These items will be hidden from all places in your library but can be found in the hidden album. Click on hide. If you want to access those hidden videos, simply click on view. Here you can see show hidden photo album, click it here. As you can see, hidden option has now appeared. Click it here, enter the password. Here you can access those videos. If you want to unhide these videos, simply select all these videos, right click and click on unhide 4 videos. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.